control. Well, I think that you're crazy. I think you're... I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your notions had an echo in so much space. And when you out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Would that make me crazy? Would that make me crazy? Would that make me crazy? Possibly. And I hope that you are having the time of your life. But think twice. That's my only advice. Come on now, who do you think you are? Bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Well, I think that you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. Just like me. My heroes have the heart to live their lives I wanna live. And all I remember is thinking I wanna be like them. Ever since I was little, it looked like fun. And it's no coincidence I've come. And I can die when I'm done.